it's Yana, business analyst from Australia. Let me ask you one question. Are you thinking about buying a new car in Australia? Then did you know that you can pay for it from your pre-tax income and saving thousands in tax? It's called novated lease, and here how it works. A novated lease is agreement between you, your employer, and finance company, at least three parties. And instead of you paying for this car from your after-tax income, your employer pay for it from your pre-tax salary. Novated lease has its own benefits. For example, first one is tax savings. So you pay for your car with your pre-tax money. That lowers your taxable income. For example, 880 in our case pre-tax payment actually cost us around 600 after tax. So it basically saves us money. Then bundled costs. So insurance, registration, maintenance, everything included in one simple payment. Third one, no GST on purchase. So you don't pay GST on the car price or running cost because your employer claim them back. And finally, easy budgeting because everything in one payment, have everything arranged for you, so you don't need to think about any surprises. Now, how to get novated lease. First step, check your eligibility. Your employer must provide you with salary packaging, including novated lease benefits. Then you also can check which company they have agreement and go to those novated lease company website to choose the car you like. Or you can basically find a dealer by yourself. Usually price is not different for your car, but if you choose petrol cars, then you may find it cheaper if you select from a novated lease company. After that, you get your quote, you apply for quote from novated lease company. You review quote including any running cost, car price, residual value, interest rate, and also insurance fee. And you can agree with the insurance or you can select your own insurance. Once you agree with everything, you sign it off. Then that quote goes to your employer for authorization. Once that piece done, then quote goes back to the novated lease company manager. And after everything, they basically contact your dealer, car dealer, or their own, and choose the day when you can come to pick your car. After that, start driving. Of course, I didn't mention that you need to select your payment, depends on the term you select, but be conscious that if you select, for example, for a 3-year or 5-year, you can't short it. But if you select for 1 year or 2 years, you can either buy the car, pay the residual value, or you can extend the lease. So you have this option. Now let's look at real-world calculation. Even though my novated lease payment is about 880 fortnightly, I feel only 600 come out of my take-home pay. That's because I save 280 every pay in tax, or nearly 7,300 a year, which is like getting almost 2 months of car payments free each year. So why don't consider this? And basically that's how it works. So now if you're thinking about a new car, you can check if your employer offers novated leasing. It could save you thousands and make life much simpler.